All right, let's talk about something we all run into. You've hit a tech problem and you need help, like, now. Well, this is your complete, super simple guide to getting the IT support you need exactly when you need it. Okay, first up, let's tackle a really common situation. You need to install a new piece of software or run an update, but you don't have admin rights. Annoying, right? Well, this is where a handy little tool called Auto Elevate comes into play. So what exactly is Auto Elevate? Honestly, the best way to think about it is like a secure key you can borrow for a few minutes. It grants you temporary admin rights just for the thing you need to do. And this is pretty brilliant because it keeps the whole system safe from anything sketchy, but it doesn't stop you from actually getting your work done. And the process? It couldn't be easier. You literally just try to run the application like you normally would. A little pop-up will appear, you just glance over the details to make sure it's the right program, you hit send, and that notifies an IT admin. Once they give it the thumbs up, you just try opening it one more time and voila, it works. So, you're probably wondering, how long do I have to wait? And this is key. Expect it to take up to 10 minutes. It's usually faster, but that's the max. It's the perfect amount of time to send that request and go grab a cup of coffee. By the time you get back to your desk, you should be good to go. All right, so that's how you install stuff, but what about all the other little IT hiccups that happen? You know, the printer won't connect, or some app is just acting weird. For those general issues, you've got 3 standard ways to open a support ticket. You've actually got 3 great options to choose from here. First, there's the taskbar icon, right down by the clock. That's your quickest shortcut. Second, you can always just send an email directly to the support address. That's perfect if you're on your phone or another device. And third, you can pop open the CLWWWD chat right inside Microsoft Teams to create a ticket and talk with the tech. But that's not all. The team at CLWWWD has rolled out something new and honestly pretty exciting. It's a smarter, faster way to get help, and it uses artificial intelligence to speed things up. And as the team themselves put it, this isn't about replacing the methods you already know. It's an additional, more efficient option. The whole point is to help the technicians figure out what's wrong and fix it way more effectively, right from the get-go. So what's the real difference for you? Well, normally, you send an email describing the problem, and then you wait for a technician to get back to you with more questions. This new AI assistant just flips that whole process around. It asks you those targeted questions right away, so the tech gets a full, complete brief from the very start. And for you, that means one thing. Your problem gets solved a whole lot faster. So what's this actually going to look like? Well, you'll see a new CLW support option right in your team sidebar. You click it, and you'll start chatting with an AI agent, its name is currently Claude, who will walk you through gathering all the key info. And hey, don't worry, all the other ways we just talked about still work perfectly. This is just one more awesome tool in your toolkit. Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the most critical situation. What happens when it's not just a small problem, but a real work-stopping emergency? I'm going to pause here for a second because this is incredibly important. This next channel is for true emergencies only. Seriously. Using it for something that isn't urgent could actually slow down help for someone else who is completely down and unable to work. So, what actually counts as an emergency? You have to think big. Is your entire team, or maybe even the whole company, at a standstill? Or are you personally completely unable to do any part of your job? If the answer to those questions is yes, then you've got an emergency. If you can still get some work done, please use one of the standard ticket options first. For those true work-stopping emergencies, this is the number you need. This is your direct line for immediate support. Keep it somewhere safe, but please use it wisely.